Hi, welcome. Today we are going to create another beautiful geometrical mandala. We are going to start with finding the center of the sheet. For that, I'll divide the sheet into four equal parts. Mark the center, then mark 4 centimeters and use this 4 centimeters for reference to draw the 4 centimeter circle from the center. And for the next step, from the four intersection points with the same 4 centimeters, we are going to draw semicircles. Extend them a little outside the original circle. For the next step, I'm going to measure 2 centimeters, mark 2 centimeters on the line, reference line, then draw the 2 centimeter circle. Once again, from the four intersection points, we are going to add semicircles using this 2 centimeter circles. Similar to what we have done before for the 4 centimeter circle, we'll do the exact same thing for the 2 centimeter circle as well. For the next step, we'll measure 6 centimeters this time. 2, 4, 6. The process will be the same. First draw the circle. This time it's 6 centimeter circle. Then from 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points, we'll add semicircles. Don't alter the measurement. It should be 6 centimeters. So same thing for 2, 4 and 6. Add the semicircles. For the next step, we'll add inner lining to all the 3 petals, layer by layer. You can use your compass to add the inner lining or just do the freehand. For the next step, we'll start adding another shape on the center petal. Add a few circles on the inside. Then on the sides, we'll add lines which will touch on the same point on the top to get a beautiful effect. Repeat the same thing for all the petals. For the center, we'll add a spiral first, then add a few outer linings. I'll proceed with adding flower petals, darkening up the space just to highlight the petals which I've just made. Separate it with a few more inner linings. Add a circle and darken it up. So spiral, outer linings, flower petals, another few outer linings. For the outermost petal, we'll start with adding circles on the outer corner, just like what we are doing here. We have to do the exact same thing on the other petals as well. Darken up the space around the circles just to highlight the circles. Here we are darkening up the negative space just to highlight our main design, which is the circles here. For the next step, draw inner lining to these circles. Start adding petals on the other side. Finish it off with the outer lining on top. On both sides. Add another outer lining to this just to separate the pattern. Adding another outer lining. darken up the space on the inside. So this is how your pattern is going to look. You have to do the exact same thing on the other side as well. For the next step, we'll add few circles. We'll just darken up the circles which we have just made. 4 centimeter circles, 2 centimeter circle. Okay. Firstly, inside of the 2 centimeter circles, we'll fill it up with few circles and darken up the remaining space. Then on the top, we'll add a spiral on both the sides, facing upwards, facing downwards. Okay, then darken up the space around the spiral. Also, we'll add inner lining to these, then just decorate the space on the inside, something like this. Then for the next step, we'll add alternative petals like this throughout and darken up the space below the petals, add a few lines on top of the pattern. For the next step, we'll make rounded petals like this on the last step, which is the 6 centimeter circle. Also add inner lining to them. We'll decorate this with a circle and darkening up the remaining space. So this is how it's going to look in the end. Fill up all of the patterns with a circle, then repeat the exact same thing on the opposite side. So we are going to do this only on either sides. If you want, no restriction, you can do on the other two sides also. But just for my sake, I'm doing it on the right and on the left. You can do the exact same thing on top and bottom as well. So there are 4 sides. I'm only doing them on 2 sides. You can do it on the other 2 sides as well. With this, we complete our beautiful geometrical mandala. I hope you liked it. If so, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload. And I'll see you in my next one.